Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for no-nonsense reviews and deep dives into today's most talked about products. In this episode, we're showcasing what we consider the best high-speed 1500-watt glass jar blender available right now, the Oster Extreme Mix Blender. Let's get into why this blender isn't just another kitchen gadget but a true game changer. Starting off, the first thing you'll notice is the sheer power under the hood. The Oster Extreme Mix Blender is turbocharged with a 2-horsepower motor delivering up to 1500 peak watts. This thing doesn't play around. Whether you're pulverizing ice, blitzing through frozen fruit, or handling hard nuts, the motor keeps pushing through without slowing down or overheating. It's designed for high-demand performance, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, sauces, nut butters, and even crushing seeds. Now, let's talk about the design. The blender is sleek, modern, and built to impress. Matte black finish, compact 8.5 by 6.2 inch base, and a height of just over 16 inches. It's sturdy, but not clunky, weighing in at about 8.6 pounds, giving it a solid presence on your countertop without being a hassle to move. The 64-ounce jar is made from premium Triton plastic, BPA-free, shatterproof, and dishwasher-safe. No glass here, but you're getting a lightweight and durable material that's tough enough for daily use and easy to clean. That means it stays sharper longer and performs better over time compared to standard stainless steel blades. These blades are uniquely designed to create a powerful vortex that pulls ingredients down and blends from every angle, vertically and horizontally. Even better, the blender features Oster's signature iBlend auto program technology. This is smart blending in action. With preset programs designed for smoothies, milkshakes, and salsa, you just hit a button and let it do its thing. No need to guess speeds or times. It knows when to pulse, blend, and stop. It's perfect for busy mornings when you just want a quick smoothie without fiddling with controls. Speaking of convenience, Oster's anti-jam reversing blade technology is a major plus. We've all had that blender that stalls or requires manual shaking to get things moving. Not this one. It senses resistance and automatically reverses blade direction to keep everything moving smoothly, no tamping or stirring required. It's a set-it-and-forget-it kind of experience. Cleaning is also a breeze, since the jar is dishwasher safe and the blades are self-cleaning. When you blend with warm water and a drop of dish soap, there's no excuse to let your blender sit dirty in the sink. One important thing to note: the Oster Extreme Mix Blender operates on 120 volts, which is standard in the US. If you're ordering from outside the States, like India for example, you'll need a step-down voltage converter to use it safely. With a price tag around $189.99 and shipping fees if you're buying internationally, it's positioned in the upper mid-range blender market. But considering its power, build quality, and smart features, you're getting a pro-level blender without paying Vitamix prices. To sum it all up, the Oster Extreme Mix Blender is more than just a pretty face. It brings serious horsepower, intelligent features, and convenience together in one powerful package. Whether you're a home cook, fitness enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates great kitchen tech, this blender earns a solid recommendation from us at Product Critique. Make sure to hit that like button if this review helped you out, and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns every week. Got a product you want us to review next? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.